Okay, Jonas is laughing at his brother Floyd's expense again. Hopefully he'll continue. Floyd! Come here, Floyd. Floyd? Ready? Floyd, ready? Oh my gosh.
There's no better sound in the entire world.
Throw it to him, Jonas. You threw it. Did you see that?
Jonas, there's no better sound in the entire world.
That's the funniest thing in the whole history of the universe. We love you, Floyd. You're such a good family member.
I have nothing of what you're actually doing.
Really?
Yeah. Well, some maybe. Go ahead.
This is what we're doing. We're throwing this at Floyd on the other side of the screen.
Floyd, you're very smart.
Floyd doesn't really understand the concept of a screen. Get your ball, Floyd.
Okay. Thank you, everybody. Should I keep recording?
Maybe he'll laugh again. Where's your ball? Where's your ball?
I think he's just going to get mad because he can't go outside.
Come on, daddy ball. Come here. That's not as funny, huh? You actually are laughing at his being cool.
Uh-oh. Careful, he's going to go through the screen. All right, everybody say bye-bye.
Is this funny?
Oh, my God. Jake is hitting our son in the forehead with a ball through the screen.
How you like it?
Oh, right in the hand. Nice. Nice. Nice.